DeWalt is changing the way work gets done with innovation for electrical trade.
It's fast. It gives you a clean cut. I used to use a knife and that was tiring. Fingers would be cut up. Now I use a cable stripper. I go home safely.
Strip cable quickly and cleanly every time. No knife needed.
A lot of jobs will not allow you to strip wire with knives anymore. So for those particular sites, this tool is a must.
Cut overhead threaded rod without chips, sparks, or burrs. No exposed blade.
I like how easy it is to use. I like the way it cuts the all thread. I'm actually really shocked at how clean it cuts this thing. And I really like the tool.
This is innovation, designed with safety and productivity in mind. All part of the 100 plus products in our 20 volt max system. Innovation for the trades by DeWalt.
A lot of power tools, I mean, they go through 2-3 batteries a day, and when you're on the 4th floor and your charger on the 1st floor, you know, not good.
The runtime on the Milwaukee cable cutter was great. We've used it for the last 2 days, and we have not had to change the battery as of yet.
It gives you that 110% that you're looking for in a battery, and Milwaukee has it. The blades are sharp, and they do give you a nice even cut. It doesn't leave that little burr in the middle of the wire like the regular manual ratchet cutters would, or it doesn't bind. It goes through like it's going through butter.
If you're at a bad angle with the other cutter, you can get some offset cuts, you know, they're kind of crooked. This one, it seemed no matter what angle I was at, it seemed to cut it good. And sometimes when you're in tight situations like what we've been working with, there's no more room for extra cutting, you know, you get one chance.
We would use it, you know, every time we're terminating panels on bigger wire.
It's got multiple speeds. If you're cutting the bigger wire, go with the lower speed. If you're cutting the smaller wire, don't waste time, bump it up and have at it.
The capacity on the Milwaukee cable cutter was great. We've used it from everything from 750 MCM aluminum to 500 MCM copper, and it'll cut it without a problem.
Working in like a panel or a switch gear, sometimes it's kind of tricky to get a traditional style cable cutter in a certain area, and the Milwaukee tool is just smaller and a little bit easier to use. It's not too heavy to use with one hand, but you can tell it's a strong tool.
The projects when you're putting in switch gears, putting in the panels, it's a necessary tool. For what we do, being the commercial side of the electrical business, it's very important. We pride ourselves on our quality of work, and this tool fits our specs. I believe that this tool would make our quality of work, you know, better than what it already is.
As an electrician, it cuts down our costs on labor tremendously. They've done their homework on this one.